Want to make a cool game on ESP? Make sure to watch till the end. Get yourself a ESP32 module, a joystick module, an OLED display, a breadboard, and few jumpers. From OLED to ESP, connect ground to ground, SDA to 21 and SCL to 22. Then connect VCC to 3v3 pin. In joystick module, connect ground to ground, VCC to 3v3, VRX to G34, SW to G32. Connect the ESP to your PC, open your IDE, upload your code, and there you have it, your own working ESP joystick game. Full tutorial and more on Blink and Build. Like and subscribe.